Welcome to the WoW Emu Market. The purpose of this Discord is to connect people and give everyone a place to download WoW repacks, scripts, sources, and more. In this introductory video, we will show you how to play WoW for free, how to start your own server, and things you'll need to know before starting your journey in WoW emulation. The first things you'll want to consider when trying to play WoW for free are as follows. Do I want to play with other people? Do I want to play WoW offline? If I play with other people, will I want to play on a Blizzlike server or a custom server? In a few moments, I'm going to explain exactly what all of that means. Let's start with the differences between a repack and a private server. A repack is used when you want to run the server on your own computer. The advantages to using a repack include being able to be a GM and using GM commands. If you want to play WoW offline, then you can, but if you're playing anything higher than Waddle K, you'll have to have a fully downloaded and patched WoW client. To be or not to be? No, but the real question is, should I play at Blizzlike or a custom server? If you're tired of playing the same old World of Warcraft, then custom servers just might reignite that passion for WoW you once had. Custom servers almost always include custom dungeons, albeit these are almost always created on Blizzlike maps, custom items, custom quests, a teleporter item or creature, and some servers have what's called a haste cap or haste patch that makes you attack faster and makes your spells tick more. For this next part, I want to start with a disclaimer. I am a server owner of a custom haste server called Phoenix Servers, not to be confused with Phoenix WoW. So for the sake of transparency and fairness, my server will not be one of the ones covered in this video. In this part of the video, I'm going to show you how to download and start a repack, and then I'm going to show you how to log in. For this example, we're going to use the old Eternian WoW Cataclysm repack. You can download this and other repacks from our Discord in the link description. Start off by opening the 406.rar. Open this folder. Make a new folder on your desktop called Cata 406. Drag and drop all these files in there. After that, drag in the Eternian 13623.exe into Cata 406. Then open up Eternian Repack. Drag and drop this folder anywhere on your desktop. Then open up Rang's EWA Repack. Open MySQL. Open Auth server. Then open World server. Now that the server is running, you can go ahead and close this folder. Move these to the side or shrink them down. Open Cata 4.0.6. Open Data. Open ENUS. Then open realmlist.wtf. Make sure this says set realmlist 127.0.0.1. Anytime you're playing on a repack that you are running yourself, it will be this address that you are connecting to. Go back to the main folder, and you can start either of these EXEs, then log in with the credentials listed in the repack thread. In this example, it is Reng for username and password, RENG. Now that we've covered how to connect to a repack, let's take a look at some private servers and how to connect to those private servers. If we go to extremetop100.com/wow-private-servers, we can find a list of popular Blizzlike and custom servers. One thing to note about top 100 sites is that some servers constantly viewbot their servers to stay at the top, but it's still the best way to find popular servers. I won't download the clients and or patches for the servers we cover in this video, but I will cover the connection guides for them and give other helpful information where I can. The first private server we're going to take a look at is Toria WoW, a Blizzlike MOP server. Once you go to their website, go ahead and log in. There's a big Download Client button. Download for whichever one you want. You can download their launcher, or you can download the direct clients via torrent. If you do torrent, either of these are a good option. Just make sure to use a VPN because they have been cracking down for years on torrent downloads for WoW clients. And Tori is a big server. If you download either MOP or MOP minimal, they'll just work out of the box. To go in, you'll start wow.exe or wow-64.exe, log in with your details that you just signed up for on the website, and you should be good to go. The second and last server we're going to check out is Transcend WoW, a custom Model K server. Just click Accept, click Learn how to connect to our realms, and here is the entire guide. Create an account just like the last one, Tori. Click here to make the account. Download the 335 client. As it says here, open up the World of Warcraft directory, open data, open enus, then open realmless.wtf. Delete everything and paste this in there. After that, you'll have to download all these patches, which is one of the drawbacks to a Model K private server. If server owners did anything newer than Waddle K, they could stream their patches directly to your client. You would not have to download any of these. That's the biggest problem I have with all these 335 servers. So after you download all these patches, put them in the data folder. It looks like you have to download this Druid C fix, put it in your add-ons folder, which is World of Warcraft interface add-ons. Drop it in there. It'll be a folder, not a RAR or zip file. If it comes in a RAR or zip file, extract it, then move that folder to the add-ons folder. After you do all that, you can go ahead and run wow.exe and log in with your credentials that you set up on this website here. This last segment will be mostly dedicated to security risks. When playing on private servers or using WoW emulation forum websites, make sure to use a VPN and use random passwords to avoid being the victim of a dox. If you're going to run your own private server, I would consider talking to either me or another server owner first to discuss security and the things players will exploit. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment on this video or contact me on Discord. I'd be more than happy to help you.